Workers in manufacturing perform dull, dirty, and dangerous tasks. However, today, technology is there to help them. The Dutch company Van Tuyl understood this. That's why they automated the task of unloading pallets with Picket. As an animal feed production company, they handle many different heavy bags. A robot now performs this non-ergonomic task, so their employees no longer need to. Peter is one of the people that really feels the difference.
Het is een mooie machine geworden en hij ontlast mijn rug behoorlijk.
And that's not all. Automating this process has more positive results.
Hij kan ook afstapelen, terwijl wij gewoon pallets aan het ophalen zijn of in de pauzes. Dan kan die gewoon en dan kan de machine veel beter doorwerken en dan staat hij minder stil. Dus we kunnen meer produceren.
After automating with Picket, their application runs with minimal supervision. Their production is higher. Their employees are happier.